Hi, I have a Stihl TS 350 cutoff saw. I cleaned carburetor and replaced all gaskets, diaphragms and needle. The saw will not start even with fuel in the spark plug hole. I don't think I have the settings to H and L screws right. It was getting spark before, so going to check that out for now. Please help with carburetor adjusting. Thanks.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is Will be happy to assist you. Are you still getting spark to your spark plug?
Thank you.
You are very welcome.
Still have spark.
Thanks for your response. Have you tried a new spark plug?
Also, fuel vent was old and missing. I put a 2 inches fuel line with screw in it. Haven't tried a new spark plug yet.
I suggest that you try a new spark plug. If you are getting spark, your engine should at least start up and run briefly, if you pour fuel into your spark plug hole. How long has it been since your engine last started up and continued to run?
It's been about 2 months. Has 120 psi. It would at least turn on 2 weeks ago. I know I put everything on correct in carb too.
120 pounds per square inch should be enough compression to start your engine. An engine needs 3 things in order to run: fuel, spark, and compression. You have all 3. I would try a new spark plug as a process of elimination.
I just removed back filter cover and fuel is spilling quite some. Could it be needle didn't seat?
Did you also replace the lever that attaches to your needle? If your needle is not properly seating, this will cause your carburetor to flood.
I did it with spring as well. I tried another used spark plug but no luck. Fuel is fresh too.
Was your old spark plug wet or was it dry after you removed it? Whenever you put a new lever in your carburetor, the new lever has to be adjusted or your carburetor will either flood or starve for fuel. There is also a screen in your carburetor. Did you replace it?
It was an entire kit. I just retested for PSI and got about 115 to 120 without leak. I think I'm going with a brand new spark plug before I move on.
I would definitely try a brand new spark plug. I would also put your old lever back in your carburetor since it is already adjusted.
Okay, thank you so much.
You are very welcome. I do hope all goes well for you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.